we have looked at those, and he has never been in violation.
Good. That's what you feel about it. Hey, if that's what you feel about it.
It's not the way I feel about it.
Yeah, well, you can say what you want, Mark. I mean, I already pointed this shit out to you, and it's the way it is. I mean, they were living in the same unit. They were living in the same unit in 2015 when they got married, and they were renting out the other half. Carrie told them that, no, you guys are not supposed to be living in the same unit, okay? And nothing was done about it. I already know that. I already know who was renting that was living there during that time. Like I told you, Mark, like, I don't need to go down all these roads, but I will if I have to. Bottom line.
Roads to go down because he's never been in violation.
All right.
He is in compliance.
Hey, he was in compliance to be around my minor child, and I was never informed about it. He knew he was not supposed to be around her, unless I was notified or aware of it, and he was around her, and they went and did an assessment. He had to lie about that, right? Now you tell me that ain't right. You tell me that ain't right? There you go.
You're not right.
I'm not right?
No.
So I was never supposed to be informed or told about it.
We followed our protocol.
So I was never supposed so you're admitting that I was supposed to be informed. He was aware of I should have been known, and he never said nothing about it to put himself around a minor kid. So he was deceitful to put himself around a minor kid and never said nothing about it.
He received approval from us to be around Kayla when we approved it. That is correct.
You guys
He never violated his condition.
okay? So you guys approved him to be around my kid. How can you approve him to be around my kid when I was never even informed? What gives you the right to approve a pedophile to be around my kid without me being known? By law, you're supposed to notify me. What gives you the right to do that?
There's no bylaw that we need to notify you.
You don't?
Follow our process. Probation does not need to notify you.
But you allowed it. You had to do a child mandate report before it was approved.
No. We submitted a mandated report as we're required to by statute.
Yeah, and what happened?
I'm not going to get into that with you.
You're not. Well,
It's not public information.
that sounds pretty fucking deceitful to me.
No, that's not. It's not public information. It's private information.
Private, so like I can't know because that's my own kid?
Correct. You cannot know.
I cannot know. I cannot know because that's my own kid. About a pedophile around my own kid, I can't know about that? I can't know about that? What the fuck is wrong with you? How am I not supposed to be known about that? A fucking pedophile around my kid, and you tell me I can't be known about it? Really? Are you fucking serious about that?
You wanted a return phone call.
Yeah.
You return phone call.
All right.
I
So,
told you
this
it
is,
is accurate.
all right.
He's never been in violation. Everything he has done, he has received approval to do.
So you approved, you just telling me right now, you approved to put my kid around that, and you know it wasn't supposed to be right. I was never informed, I was never told, nothing period, and you know right there that's wrong. It should have never been approved, and you guys approved that. You just told me you guys approved it, and it shouldn't have been. And you know it shouldn't have been.
Is there anything else I can help you with? I'm not planning to have another phone call with you.
Hey, sounds good.
I'm going to be sending a letter out to you indicating
Yeah. Indicate what?
indicating that if you want to communicate with us, you can do it in writing. You can do it with the county attorney's office, who is well aware of this case. Everybody is well aware of this case.
And this is how they're going to deal with it, right?
Anything.
So you're telling me this is how they're going to deal with it, right? This is how the Dakota County Courts is going to deal with this problem, huh? This is how they do it? They're like, fuck you, we don't care. We're going to put any kid around a child molester. We don't care. We don't have to tell anyone. This is how Dakota County Courts deal with it. Wow. All right.
We followed our process.
Really? Then where was the process wrong? Where was it wrong? Huh?
Kayla's mother was involved in this decision making.
And I'm her dad. Why wouldn't I? I'm supposed to be notified by law and join legal rights to my fucking daughter. I should have been notified before it was ever approved. You know that, Mark. Don't fucking feed me shit. You're well aware of the law and the rules, so don't go there with me. You know that. If you want to continue to lie, it don't matter. It ain't going away, and I'm not going to stop. And you think if this is how it's going to be done and dealt with, it's just going to keep moving up. I mean, whatever. I told you, I'm not going to let it go. Is there anything else you want to tell me, or is that it?
Well, I'm really interested to hear how somebody who thinks that a righteous father goes and puts my children's information.
How do you think a righteous fucking father put a fucking pedophile around my kid? You fuck? Yeah, you fuck?
I'll put a link in the description of the statue and law that was in place during this, and exactly what number in there that explains that they're supposed to notify